Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making this party jollof rice, non-tomato party jollof rice. No fresh tomato, no tomato paste. You can see the color, smoky party jollof rice. So let's get into the main video. Welcome back guys. Here are my pepper mix that I'll be using for this rice. I'm going to be using scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, carrots and onions. So I've cleaned this. I'm going to blend them to smooth. So here I'll prepare my protein. You can use any protein of your choice. I'm using chicken. So I'm going to season this chicken with chicken seasoning, Benny spice, salt, curry powder, thyme, black pepper and all-purpose seasoning. So those are the spices I'm going to use to marinate this chicken, boil and fry it. You have to spice your chicken very well because we'll need the chicken stock. Put it on the fire to boil and let the water dry. I've been boiling. Heat up my oil. Oil is hot. I'll put in my onions, fry that for a bit, then add in curry, thyme and bay leaf and fry that for 30 seconds before adding in the pepper mix. After 30 seconds, I'll be adding in my pepper mix. So I'll fry the pepper mix till the oil is floating on top. So my pepper mix is ready. The next thing is for me to add my spices. All the spice I used to marinate the chicken, that is what I'll be using here. If you have watched to this extent, kindly hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. So I'll add in a little bit of water, not too much water because I don't want the rice to be too soggy. So cover and allow it to cook. It's still a little bit strong, but I'll not be adding water. So I will load the frame of my heat very well now and allow it to be there so that all the water will dry and we'll have a smoky patty jollof. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. To our new subscriber, you are welcome. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate. See how beautiful it is. You can garnish it with any vegetable of your choice. See you on in my next one. Bye.